everyone, I'm going to start this cup like I always do. I always sand really well and then wipe off any dust with some 91% rubbing alcohol. Then I'm going to use the fluorescent paint set from Montana Cans. I will link everything I used down below in the description. And I just go around the cup spraying these vertical lines until I am happy with the way the ombre looks. And using these paints, I have found that creating an ombre is super easy. I was not good at it until I used these paints. Once my paint was dry, I used about 1.5 to 2 milliliters of epoxy to act as a glue for my glitter. Next, I'll go in with my Opal glitter. I am using NYC from Nicole Moret Original. It is a really pretty opal glitter with cute little pearlescent pink hearts in it as well. And I'm just going to use clean hands to sprinkle this glitter on the cup really lightly. You don't need a huge thick coat of glitter for these cups because you still want to see that beautiful ombre that you've created underneath it. If you have any glitter pieces that are sticking up, you can just use a gloved finger to lightly tap it down to lay it flat. Now that the glitter layer is dry, I am just going to go in with some epoxy and just coat it like I normally would. Once that epoxy layer is cured, I'm going to apply my decals. For an in-depth tutorial on these decals, I will link the video I have for you in the description. Once my decals are applied, I let them sit usually overnight so they adhere really well to the cup. Then I epoxy like normal and we're done. Hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.
And if I don't